Let's start with elbows. To cut a larger elbow using an Armaflex template, lay the template flat on the Armaflex sheet. Cut one piece and then use the template to cut another. It takes two pieces to cut the same way to fabricate an elbow. Now, hold the pieces together with the skin side out and apply the 520 adhesive to both seam surfaces at the same time. Always brush adhesive from the center outward to give a nice thin coat all the way to the edge. Once you have applied the adhesive and have allowed an open time of 3 to 5 minutes, lay the two pieces on the flat surface skin side down. Carefully begin pushing the edges together, starting at one end and working your way all the way to the other end. Now, turn the elbow inside out and again push the pieces together from beginning to end. This will make sure you have a nice tight bond. To install the elbow on the pipe, put it in position and apply the adhesive to the joint surfaces. Begin pushing the two edges together. Start at one end, working your way through to the center. Then seal the opposite ends and work toward the center from the other direction. Sometimes you may encounter pipe elbows that are larger than the templates you have. No problem. Fabricating a cover for a large 10-inch elbow like this one is a simple matter of taking two measurements, scoring, and cutting your pieces. Just watch. First, take the throat measurement. This is the distance between the inside wells of the elbow. In this case, it is 9 5/8 inches. Using this measurement on a tape measure, swing an arc across one corner of the Armaflex sheet, scoring the material as you go. Now, take half of the circumference of the outside of the pipe. A small strip of Armaflex works well as a measurement device. Simply wrap it around the pipe, taking care not to pull or stretch it. Mark the length necessary to go around the pipe, and then measure it. Here, the circumference is 36 inches. Half of 36 is 18, so we add this to our first measurement of 9 5/8 inches to come up with 27 5/8 inches. This is the measurement for our second arc. Again, anchor your tape measure at the same corner and swing a parallel arc above the one you've already scored. Now you're ready to cut out one side of your elbow. Lay it on another sheet and use it as a template to cut the other half of your elbow. Assemble the two sides as shown before and install on the pipe in the very same manner.